What?
The carrots. They're all snacked on. And look, the little crumbs are gone. And look at the cookie. And look, he drank his milk.
Do you think they enjoyed it?
I think they enjoyed it. Let's do that the next time because I think he loved his milk.
I think he did too.
He almost drank to the bottom.
I think so. I think you're absolutely right.
What's that? What's that on the plate there? Did he write you a note?
That must be Santa's note.
What does it say? Daddy, read it?
It's my note.
Oh, what is it? It says, Dearest Anna, thanks for the snacks. And Prancer really loved the carrots. Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus.
I guess Prancer ate all the carrots.
Yeah. It looks like he was a little sloppy.
My goodness, he nibbled all over.
Let's see. Look, all the carrots are gone. And he got a little bit on the carpet. The little sloppy guy.
Wow. And I missed him again.
How do we keep doing that?
Sometimes you have to be sleepy.